Okay, everyone, I was in primary school. I actually have a trip, the scout trip. Scout camp where we went to Taman Negara for camping. So I and my friend, we are the partner where we set up our tent early in the morning. Then we go and play with our games, and also we go and even have how to call Mandi Sungai. We swim in the river, and then we have a lot of fun as Boy Scout during those days. And of course, when we are tired after the dinner, we went to sleep. In the middle of the night, something shocked me, and I wake up. I feel uneasy. And I wake Barry up. Hey Barry, wake up. Can you see something that I'm seeing? Okay, Barry was, I think, half asleep and half awake. They said, nothing, my friend. Nothing. See carefully. Yeah, I can see the stars and moon. What's wrong with that? You idiot! Our tent is stolen! Okay, in the primary school, I enjoy playing with balls. Okay, no matter hockey, football, as long as balls, even marbles, I'm good at it. Okay, as long as balls, and it must be round. So what happened is that there is a school competition or the school's team selection for basketball, and during that time, I have no idea about how to play basketball. So I and my group of friends registered to go for the basketball selection. So what happened is we registered our name and we told that, okay, as long as you dribble the ball and throw into the net, you are qualified for the school team. So what happened is, I and my group of friends registered and we happily be there for the qualifying round. And I was the first one to be called to go and take a shot on the basketball. So as I dribble slowly, step by step, and I throw it. And it went in. It went in. I was so happy with it because I'm going to be selected for the school team competition. And of course, the coach, you are disqualified. Why? I threw the ball into the net. Yeah, I know you threw the ball into the net, but you threw it from under the net. There goes the blunder. Okay, never mind. As long as in life we learn from mistake. Okay, so make sure that we learn from mistake and we correct the mistake and we move on in life. Okay, that's the most important thing.